Hello everyone, welcome to final project presentation of our group. In the class of the intercultural design, the theme chosen by our group is the pattern design of traditional Chinese citrus teacups. Okay, and this is the catalog of our group's final project presentation. We have divided this parts of the presentation into 6 parts, which are the theme and the cultural chosen, the root cause of the project, data research and analysis, final design and project progress and the reference. This is the theme and culture. Our group chosen country is Chinese and culture is traditional Chinese culture.
We decided to use a marker to make a picture on the ceramic coaster and use glue drop down to make a tea culture stand. Due to the strong correlation between traditional Chinese solar teams and tea culture, we decided to design the coaster pattern by adding elements of solar teams and present it on ceramic coaster and standing plates. We have enhanced the color of the overall pattern and selected 3 famous types of traditional Chinese ceramics: blue and white porcelain, red glass, and enamel to present our design pattern. This makes our redesigned pattern more attractive and easy to spread our cultural concept to the public. Ceramic teacups are a container used to make and drink tea. It is made of high temperature filled clay or porcelain clay, which has good breathability and can absorb the fragrance of tea, which is suitable for long tea use. The porcelain cup has a smooth glass which does not absorb odors and can better preserve the original taste of tea soup. When drink tea, ceramic teacups are usually used in combination with coaster to accentuate the pattern of ceramic coasters. Black teacups has been changed by those dynasties. The patterns are more integrated and rich and have become an indispensable cultural symbol in tea culture. Mr. Long, his classic work tea house is set against the background of Chinese tea culture. It is not only the embodiment of tea culture, but also the epitome of history. Culture of ceramic teacups. In the design of the teacup pattern, we integrate traditional Chinese integrate the traditional confused idea of balanced art, courtesy, wisdom, and faith into traditional Chinese colors and express our sense of identity with the deep cultural heritage of ceramic teacups through different traditional colors and patterns of different meanings.
The main force is to integrate Chinese traditional tea culture into the daily lives of all people. It is related to the full and form of anti-Chinese legislation, such as the manganese is full bloom in spring, the lost flowers that bloom in summer, and the cherimoos that bloom in autumn. For people who often live in urban areas, they are not religious things. This things important integrates the traditional 2-4 solar teams. The main force to promote Chinese traditional culture, create the background on the theme, face, and the cultures of the 2-4 solar teams. Incorporate immense representation the 2-4 solar teams into the design of the casters to the such as traditional Chinese culture. By in meaningful cross-cultural interactions, we enrich our design process while also supporting cultural exchange and integration. At the same time, we foster mutual respect to the cultural difference and build a bridge for the cultural communication.
This is our different analysis. Hello everyone. According to the research result, the majority of respondents are young people aged 18 to 22, mainly of Chinese nationality, and most of them have a habit of drinking tea and have a basic understanding of traditional tea culture. The survey shows that although the majority of people prefer traditional ceramic tea sets and traditional pattern designs, nearly 40% believe that the design of new style tea set is conducive to the dissemination and innovation of traditional culture. At the same time, about 70% of the respondents thinking that new style tea varieties such as milk tea have a positive impact on traditional tea culture and can attract more young people attention. To sum up, traditional tea culture still hold appeal among young people, and new tea beverages and modern designs have injected it with fresh vitality. In the future, we should strike a balance between inheritance and innovation to enable traditional tea culture to regain new life in modern society.
On the week 4 weekend, our group interviewed at Fanjian Tea House in Keilongkou, and our group visited the Fanjian Tea House and the Sichuan tea rooms. Okay, the next is our group final design.
We designed the three custom patterns corresponding to the three solar terms of Qingming, summer solstice, and autumn equinox. Qingming uses blue tones combined with mongonite, rainbows, and window lattice to show the varieties of spring and traditional tea culture. Summer solstice is the main rose red with flowers symbolizing the winds and the red plumbing tones symbolizing longevity. Choosing the regular rose variety of the summer solstice. Autumnal equinox use enamel style combining cherry systems with special patterns and the golden orange tones to express the connection between autumn habits and tea culture. These three designs combine traditional elements with modern accessories, hoping to show the unique culture of Chinese solar terms culture.
The first work transformed into currents through the recent heat of tea cup, symbolizing vitality and ensuring the vernal equinox and the arrival of spring. The second work showcased the refreshing atmosphere of tea tasting in summer, with lotus leaf and flowing water reflecting the elegance of summer retreat, just like during the summer solstice. People use tea to relieve heat and enjoy mountain of chocolate. The third work is the beautiful scenery of vibrant tea gardens and the interplay of flowers and birds during the transition from spring to summer, symbolizing the strong growth of tea trees and the overflowing fragrance of tea.
Next is our project progress, and this is our progress video. And this individual reference, and this is our references. This is our group members' blog links.